Horses are beautiful, majestic animals, but all too often they're abused, and even more often lately they're being sold for slaughter. We're here at Miracle Horse Rescue in Pahrump to discuss that problem. Horses, abused, mistreated, or worse, sold for slaughter, have become a common sight for Stephanie Pierce at Miracle Horse Rescue, where at least a few animals have been fortunate enough to escape a terrible fate.
We have seen horses that have been beaten. We have seen horses that have been starved. One of the horses that we do have here at the facility, he is completely blind now due to being beaten upside the head with a 2x4.
Horses have served humans throughout history, carrying us on their backs, tilling our fields, drawing wagons and carriages, and enriching our lives as friends and companions. In the United States, horses have never been raised for human consumption, yet for decades our horses have been bought and slaughtered by foreign-owned industry for sale to high-end diners in Europe, Mexico, and Asia, a practice that many Americans find appalling.
The vast majority of them, I'm going to say more than half, unless an outside person goes and purchases these mares, they cross into Canada and they go for slaughter.
However, failure by the U.S. Congress to pass legislation banning horse slaughter means that American horses are still being slaughtered for human consumption abroad. These horses are often stored, shipped, and killed under the most barbaric of conditions. Many of them are pregnant mares, like Faith, shown here with baby Justice.
They are kept in small pens. They're transported in trucks that haven't been designed to transport horses, basically cattle trucks. They stack them in, as many as they can, injured. Some have died on the floors of these trucks, and I have seen hidden video.
Okay, take your time.
With horses going down a chute, hung up by their hind legs and their throats slit while they're alive, foals being cut out of their stomach and thrown into a gut pile to die. That's not what we're about.
Miracle Horse Rescue is a non-profit organization that specializes in domesticated workhorses, racers, and PMU mares whose urine is used to produce the hormone replacement drug Premarin, all of whom are simply discarded when deemed too old or no longer productive. Not a fitting return for animals that give us so much. So what can we do to stop the slaughter?
People can get online to their congressmen. They can get online, join the anti-slaughter groups that are online and available. Support your local horse rescues.
For donation or adoption information, or if you'd like to get more involved, please contact Miracle Horse Rescue at 702-417-9890 or visit their website at www.miraclehorse.com. For News 30, I'm Carl Carter.